Does your Windows 11 take forever to start up? It's probably because too many apps are running at startup. Let's fix that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more quick PC tips from Zia Maliky Academy. When you turn on your PC, a bunch of apps launch automatically, most of which you don't need right away. That slows down your boot time and drains system resources. Right-click on the taskbar and choose Task Manager. Go to the Start Apps tab. You will see a list of all apps set to launch on startup. Tip: look at the Startup Impact column. It shows which apps slow you down most. Now let's disable what you don't need. Right-click any app, select Disable. Avoid disabling antivirus or system tools. Good apps to disable are Spotify, Teams, Zoom, Adobe Updater, OneDrive if you are not using it. Prefer using the setting apps? No problem. Steps: open Settings, then go to Apps, then Startup. Toggle off any unwanted startup programs. Same result: clearer, faster boot time. That's it. You have just cleaned up your Windows 11 startup like a pro. Enjoy faster boot time and smoother performance. Like this video if your PC boots faster now. Comment below with speed boost.